And there is the same mountain stream that I just diverted, and I just followed it up. That's where it starts. Oh, there's the spring right there. Nothing up here. This is running right underground. Oh. I cleared this a little so it would flow down nicer. But there it is. There's the start of that creek. It turns into a pretty big one near the bottom. So I'll take a video at the bottom of the mountain to show you how big this gets. So this will be part 2 of the mountain stream. This is actually where it starts, and part 3 will be where it ends. Part 1 was in the middle, where I diverted it to where it actually was supposed to go. All right.